Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today study the transcription. This is the process in which an RNA copy of the DNA sequence encoding the gene is produced with the help of enzyme RNA polymerase. One of the two strands of DNA are transcribed. This strand is called as template strand or the antisense strand. The opposite strand is called as coding strands or the sense strands. The RNA polymerase enzyme synthesize RNA from 5' to 3' direction. There is the only one type of the RNA in the prokaryotes which is responsible for the synthesis of all three types of RNAs. For example, ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA and transfer RNA. On the other hand, there are three types of RNA polymerase, namely RNA polymerase 1 which synthesize the ribosomal RNA, polymerase 2 which synthesize the messenger RNA, polymerase 3 which synthesize the transfer RNA. Transcription starts at the RNA polymerase binding site called as promoter on the DNA template strands. In prokaryotes, within the promoter there are two binding sites, TTGA-CA, also called as 35 sequence, and TATAAT sequence, also called 10 sequence, which have affinity for the RNA polymerase. In eukaryotes, there are the sites are at 25 and 70 sites. The binding of the RNA polymerase to the promoter is the first step in the gene transcription. One of the subunits of the RNA polymerase sigma factor is responsible for the correct initiation of the transcription process. Once the transcription has started, the sigma factor is released and the remaining part of the enzyme core enzymes moves over the template strand and complete the transcription of the gene. The DNA strands open up at the place where the enzyme is attached to the template strand, forming a transcription bubble. The transcription bubble moves down the DNA, leaving the growing strand protruding from the bubble. The stop sequences at the end of the gene terminate the synthesis of messenger RNA. The simplest stop signal is the series of GC base pair followed by the series of AT base pair. The RNA formed in this region form a GC hairpin followed by 4 or more uracil ribonucleotides. The hairpin causes the RNA polymerase to stop the synthesis. In bacteria, the newly synthesized messenger RNA is directly transferred to the cytoplasm when it is converted into the polypeptide chain. In eukaryotes, however, it has to travel large distance from the inside the nucleus to the ribosome outside the cytoplasm. The eukaryotic messenger RNA is therefore modified to several ways to add this journey. A cap and tail is added so that molecule may remain stable during the long journey to the ribosomes. The cap is in the form of 7-methyl GTP, which is linked 5' to 5' with the first nucleotide, where the tail is in the form of poly A tail linked to the 3 end of the RNA. The caps and tails are save the messenger RNA from the variety of the nucleases and phosphatase enzymes. Thanks for watching.